Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to have a quick little video. Last video I told you about the speaker system that I had for my bike. I didn't have it on at the time because it was under a bunch of junk. Anyway, I have drug it out and we'll take a look at it today. I'm just going to take a look at my notes here. The model number for the speaker system, it's the ATV30BRGB. It's an off-road and marine sound system by bossaudio. We'll take a look at it. We'll put it on the bike and go from there. So this is the speaker. It's obviously turned around backwards just to show you what it looks like. So it's, I believe it's 6.5-inch speakers on both sides. Some little tweeters in the middle. I've put a GoPro mount on the top. And we have two leads here. We have one that goes back to your control panel. And another one that goes into your cigarette lighter. Actually, I laughed when I watched my last video back because I referred to it as a cigarette lighter. I don't know how many of the new generation would think that you'd have a cigarette lighter on your ATV, but I'm old, so it's an auxiliary 12-volt port, I assume, at this point. Okay, here's the bottom of my speaker. I actually put pads. These are furniture pads you would get for no slip from Amazon or from your local big box store. Just no slip pads. I cut them to shape and size and put them underneath the speaker, just so the contact that they make with this cover be a little more sturdy. So there you go, pads. All right, guys, so here is the speaker. This is how I had it mounted onto the front. So you'll see on the screen, I've actually updated the straps that it came with. These are the Amazon straps you'll see on the screen. These are a heavier duty cam buckle, so they can come on and off very easily, but they are a better quality than the ones that came with it. So this is what we're going to be using. Okay guys, so I just put that through a little time lapse. It took me a while. My hands are frozen. It is pretty cold out here. Anyway, the new straps I use are very much an improvement from the stock straps that come with it. I'm going to spin you around here. Uno momento. All right, so as you can see right here, I have 4 cam buckle fasteners on this. So one is through the side in which the company has provided a slot there. One is back on this front corner. Another one on this front corner. And another one through the factory mark. Now down here on the bike, I ran through, like again on the 2024 Brute. It has a different racking system, so I just ran through that hole. Up in around that bar. Same on the other side. And the back corner, I ran it through here. Over the little tweeter. And same on the other side, right in the corner. I didn't cut these off as of yet because I figured I may need to use them for another purpose. But what I've been doing is just tying them up, putting them in the back and putting a zip tie on them just so they don't get in the way. But I can use them for larger projects if I need to in the future. All right, as you can see here, I just took the extra long straps. I just bundled them up and zip tied them here. So what I'll do is I'll just cut off the extra here. Of course, you always want to cut these on a 45, so the next person coming along will cut themselves. Joking. There we go. All right, we'll just tuck this back in down here. And then we'll go around to the controllers and show you how all that stuff hooks up. All right, so to plug in the power source for this is going to go in our auxiliary plug right there, otherwise known to us older guys as a cigarette lighter. I'm looking there, I got a little bit of corrosion. So what I'm going to do is take a spray of the dielectric grease, just spray it in there. It'll ward off the water and hopefully stop any further damage. So I'm going to spray that in there, give it a little shot, shake it up, and just give it a little goop. All right, so this is the plug for my hazard light. The plug for speaker is right here. Plug that in. All right. Now, as far as mounting the control panel, this is the control panel that it comes with. I put it on top on this Brute, on top of this waterproof container that's on the storage compartment on the left-hand side. So I just 3M taped that on there. So one side of it goes to the power that runs the cigarette lighter and the speaker, and the other one is a 3.5 millimeter jack, I believe, so you can actually pipe in music directly from your own stereo system. All right, guys. Well, I went in for supper. I came out, back out to the garage, just to finalize this video for you. I hooked up all the power, which I showed you before. I just put that one plug in after I had the tape taken off it. So right now I do have it set up. I obviously can't play any copyrighted music. Okay, guys, let's throw some power on here. I'm going to let it play again and just start the bike up so you can see the difference with the engine noise over top of it. I have you guys here. I just wanted to show my appreciation for all of you that have been following the channel. It's only a small channel and I just started, but if you can, like and subscribe. If it's content that you think you might be interested in, it'd be appreciated. It'll help my channel grow and be able to bring you more content.